Hi beautiful angels, this is Miss Tixie from Magic Vents Tarot and this is your September love and work forecast for Taurus. Yes, if your sun sign, moon sign, rising sign is in Taurus, this reading is for you. If you know a Taurus, you can cross watch it for them. Friends, subscribe, like and share our channel. If you have already subscribed, thank you so much. This is a general reading, friends. It may resonate or it may not, so take whatever resonates, leave the rest behind. Also, friends, join us on Instagram as Magic Vents Tarot. And if you want to buy a personal reading, visit our website and www.magicventstarot.com. So let's begin now. Let's see what's the theme for the month for Taurus. Theme of the September for Taurus. Oh my God, your cards jumped off the table. Wow, the angel of balance and rest and relaxation. This is beautiful, Taurus. I feel you're working to really bring balance in your life. September is about bringing balance in your life. I see you had been working very, very hard. You had been struggling. You have a lot of challenges. I see that you have not been sleeping well in August or something. So now some peace of mind is going to come your way in September. You are going to get, peace of mind, hope, and if you have health issues, you are going to find some relief in your health issues. Whatever is troubling you right now, you are going to find that relief. And money and love both will be balanced in your life. Like something is not really balanced right now in your life, but in September things will get better and things will get really balanced for you. So which is very good. Great energies, Taurus. Wow, thinking man, 46. Oh my God, there is also love coming your way. Someone is obsessed about you, Taurus. It could be you, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. You could also be dealing with a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Someone is obsessed about you, or this person could be a lover, a new lover, or someone from your past. I also feel, friends, like you are obsessed about manifesting something. Maybe you are working to manifest a dream, a goal, a plan, maybe a job or some money. Yes, you are going to achieve it. Don't stress too much. I see you stressing again in September. Taurus, don't do that. Don't do that. Stay relaxed, stay calm. You are right on the path. So that's interesting. Let's see what will happen in your love life, Taurus, for September's. And I got late, even though I started the readings quite early, but I still got late in posting this one. So happens, friends, what to do. Sometimes, things come in the way. Wow, we have the 10 of Pentacles, the Magician, the 6 of Pentacles, Judgment, the Moon. Oh my God, the Temperance. Big month for you, Taurus. No wonder you are thinking and you need some rest. It's a big month for you. September is big, big, big. Something is going to change in your love life and it's going to be huge, Taurus. So get ready. Get ready. Someone is trying to manifest you. I see you start the month feeling your focus is on work, your focus is on family. Taurus, you don't want to deal with a lot of things, your focus is clear. It's on money, career, family. You want long-term success or happiness. You don't want this energy. You are not focusing on love. Actually, you're focusing on marriage, on work, on your family. So you're happy. You start the week focusing about that, feeling happy. But I see someone is trying to manifest you very, very strongly. Someone is trying to manifest you. And I feel this could be a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person or a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person. I also feel it could be a Libra or a Gemini person for some of you. But I feel mostly it's a water sign person. Someone is trying to manifest you and so desperately they are obsessed with it. And I do feel that this person has hurted you in the past. They have caused you a lot of hurt and pain, and they want to come back now and heal and make fix this situation. I keep getting that song "Fix You" from Coldplay, so I think they want to fix this situation. You know, they want to fix this situation, make. Choose you, work with you. And why? Because you know, I feel mid of the month is going to bring this person and this connection some major clarity. You have to watch out for the mid of September, friends, around the 15th and onwards from that. From 15th September to the end of the month, you have to really watch out. It's a huge time for your love life. You have all the major three arcanas. I will take a clarifier here, because I see strong messages coming in, something changing, like maybe you are single, you will get married. Maybe your marriage is, if you are already married, you are going through difficulties, it will heal. You will get some big cosmic signs, someone is going, or maybe you are single, you will find someone to get married. Clarify the judgment angels. Yeah, Eight of Pentacles, someone wants to work with you. Clarify the moon. Clarify the Five of Pentacles, the Hermit. See, oh my god, all the major arcanas are coming. This is a huge month, Taurus. I would suggest you to save this reading in the downloads or download it and come back and keep checking it, because I see something major is happening for you. I see someone is trying to manifest you. They will be making a move in the first 2 weeks towards you, or they are thinking about you. And in the mid of September, they are definitely going to make a move towards you. This person is from long distance. This person could be a new person or an old person, someone you already know. I feel both the energies. If you are single, this is a new person who is manifesting a partner similar to you. If this is a new, if this is a past lover, they did you something, they hurted you, they did you wrong. They left you, they married someone else, but now they want to come back and make things work with you. I think this person is going to really work hard to win you. They are going to, you know, this person is going to really chase you. They are going to chase you. They are going to, even if you say no, they are not going to take it. They are going to keep messaging you, keep loving you, and keep making an effort, trying to win you. I feel you may feel confused and very romantic about this person. Like, well, now they are making the move. Now they are doing everything. So you will feel attraction towards them. You will feel seduced by them. And they will also feel seduced by you. But I still feel you will not be able to trust this person, Taurus. You will be like, nah, I choose myself, baby. See, Nine of Pentacles. I know I am the queen. I know I am the king. So better... You won't trust them easily. They will try to seduce you. They will try very hard, Taurus. Get ready. They are going to try very hard. They are going to see that you are this beautiful energy of happiness, joy, and independence, and they want you back. You see, when people start to feel independent and strong and happy by themselves, now they are attracting people. You are attracting suitors like anything. So that's going to happen, but you will not be able to trust them easily. No, you will still be, yeah. Temperance. I do see that at the end of the month, you are going to feel like, okay, fine, let's see how it goes. You know, you are going to in that energy, like, yeah, you may accept them at the end of the month, but from the mid till the end, you are going to wait and watch. I also feel you are going to ask them some tough questions, why you left them, you know, why this person left you in the past, why they hurted you. So you will be asking some tough questions at the end of the month. And also, friends, if this is a new person, you have to stay careful, because at the end of the month, they might run away, or they might go into a cave and hide, and you'll be like, what happened? What happened? Because the energy of Hermit is here. So friends, this person might run away, or you may feel antisocial, so you may run away, but I feel it's their energy. So if you are single and this is a new person, stay careful. This person might ghost you at the end of the month, so you stay careful. You stay in your power. You don't trust them blindly, okay? I'm telling you before, so that you don't come back and tell me, oh my God, we were hurted. Because that's my job, to protect you, to, warn you before. And I do feel, even if you know them, communications may become tough at the end of the month, and you both may again be like, yeah, I'm focusing on myself, they are focusing on themselves, maybe not even talking. But I do feel this, you will be obsessed by this person, or they will be obsessed by you. They are obsessed by your beauty, your charm, your independence. So there is a lot of seduction, there is a lot of energy of wanting, desire, control, seducing. So stay careful. It's a wonderful energy, but on extremes it can be a little. See, King of Swords. They want to win you because now their ego is hurt. So that's why they want to win you. Communications will be harsh. I feel you may go into arguments with this person at the end of the month. So stay careful. Be a hermit. Don't talk much. Oh my God, the Justice. See? You have like so many energies. Angel of Balance, the Justice is here. There is also the Temperance, the Angel of Balance. Again, I don't know what's going on. I think some sort of your karma or your spiritual or something is going to shift in your life, friends, at the end of September, because Saturn will be shifting signs, and that's going to bring this justice. That's going to bring this major shift in your love life and in your personality and your relationships. So if this person or relationship is toxic and you are not able to release them or get over them, I see you doing that at the end of the month. If you are single and this person is not behaving right, you will choose independence. You will choose justice. You will not be settling for less in September, Taurus. No, absolutely not. Wow, that's some reading for you, Taurus. What are you up to? Let's see how your work will be. Let's very quickly see your work. Wow, Queen of Rods, starting something new. The Empress, creativity. You are starting so many things new in Taurus at work. You are this Empress. You are starting. Your creativity will be very, very high. You will be starting or working on new projects, learning new things. I would say believe in yourself, because you have the Queen of Rods. Act on your passion. If anything makes you passionate, go for it in your work. I also see that some of you will be going back to something you really enjoyed doing as a child in September, and it's going to bring you money. Maybe it is art, maybe it is singing, maybe it is some business idea. You will be working on something new, and it will bring you a lot of happiness and lot of success. I see Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces man will be helping you, or an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person will be helping you in your work and career. Four of Pentacles, yes, you have to save your money because you are right now in the phase of starting things, so save your money, definitely. Not that money won't come your way, Taurus, but it is like you are starting a new job or a new business and you are feeling very excited, and you may want to shop or overspend this month, like on your looks, on your beauty, or like you starting a new business, so you are like, I'll buy all the infrastructure that is needed, but you may go over the top in spending. So stay careful about that. Even if you are a student, it's going to be a great month for you, and very, very powerful. You are going to start something new and you're gonna feel very powerful about it, very powerful. Let's see any advice for you for this month, and then we're gonna take a love romance angels message. Any advice? See, third chakra, Archangel Samuel, love. Friends, you are going to learn a lot from love and relationships this month, and keep your heart open, because this love energy, number 37, might be important for you. Number 37, 21, 27, 29 are important. I feel like, you have a lot of power this month, and what you love can change, like you can change by loving something, both at your work. You fall in love with your subject or with your job or with your new idea, new business idea, and you will going to reach a lot of success. And also someone may fall in love with you, and it may, you will feel very surprised. Women holding a coin, number 42. I definitely feel, friends, some financial worries may happen this month, or finances will be tight. So save your money. That's again the message. It is in the advice. So please don't neglect it. Save your money, or don't invest it. Don't overspend it. Let's see what else. Any love message for Taurus? Flirt, oh my god, that's why everyone, your social media will be buzzing. Trust me, your emails, your messages, your WhatsApp, your people want to join you. They are seduced, they are attracted by you because you are feeling great, you are feeling happy, Taurus. Extend your light-hearted energy, flirt. I see friendships coming your way. Happy friendships. Let's see, what else for Taurus? Oops. Teapot. See, friendships are coming your way. Deep friendship with someone of the same sex. I feel you may find some new friends or some business partnerships. So collaborations, meetings, and tea parties are there. Hidden secrets can harm you. Yeah, you may have anxiety, you know, because of this person or a relationship or your family members. I do see that some family member is also causing you worry. Stepping into a new experience, the leg, yes, you are ready for new things. Sunrise, new creative ideas, new ventures, a fresh start. I see that at your work. You will be taken care of in difficult times. Yeah, financially things will be tight, but you are taken care of. Money path. A path with money is opening for you. Success, happiness, success is coming, friends. August is important. Yeah, I do feel you are waiting for something since August. It's going to happen now. Spear, heartache over what you no longer have. Yeah, someone may hurt you, or you may still be feeling a little upset. So that's the energy of relaxing and forgetting that. So that's it for now, Taurus. If you enjoyed this reading, give us a thumbs up and subscribe our channel. And this is Mystic C Singh. Bye for now.